everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're planning to buy the PowerMax WalkPad 2 and wondering whether it's really worth spending around 9,999, then this video is for you. So in this video, I'll show you the unboxing, the features, a real walking test and actual noise test without any background music. And finally, I will tell you whether it's worth buying. So let's get started. The packaging was secure and everything arrived in perfect condition. Inside the box, you get the WalkPad, a remote control, lubrication oil and the user manual. So the first thing I noticed is how premium and compact it looks. The build quality feels solid and the best part is that there is almost no setup required. Just plug it in, switch it on and you are ready to start walking. Talking about the specifications, this WalkPad has a top speed of 6 km per hour, which is perfect for walking and light exercise. And it supports a maximum user weight of 110 kg, making it suitable for most users. Another feature I really liked is the 8% Manual Incline, which adds extra intensity to your walking session compared to a flat walking pad. So one of the biggest reason I bought this WalkPad is because I work from home and wanted an easy way to stay active. So as you can see, I can comfortably walk while working at my standing desk. It helps me increase my daily step count without taking extra time out of my schedule. Now one question almost everyone asks is it noisy? So instead of just telling you, let me show you. So as you just heard, that's the actual sound of the WalkPad. I haven't edited the audio, so you can judge the noise level yourself. So even while working, I can comfortably talk without raising my voice, which makes it a great option for working from home, attending online meetings or even watching TV. The walking surface feels stable and after I am done, I can easily move and store it because of its slim design. If you live in an apartment or don't have much space, this compact size is definitely a big advantage. So is the PowerMax WalkPad 2 worth 9,999? So in my opinion, yes. If you are looking for a compact walking pad for home use, want to stay active while working or simply want to increase your daily step count with its 6 km per hour top speed, 8% manual incline, 110 kg weight capacity, compact design and low level noise, I think it's offer good value for the price. However, if your goal is running or high intensity workouts, then you should consider buying a full size treadmill instead. And if you found this review helpful, please like this video, subscribe to the channel and let me know your question in the comment below. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.